Hello, all. Welcome to the channel. I'm Kat and
Barry.
my husband, and today we are going to show you some more core exercises that you can do with a partner or by yourself. All right, so this one's done either on the bed or on the floor or a couch. So we're going to do some bicycling with our legs. Our feet are going to touch each other. So you're going to scoot very close, your butts close to each other. Well, not too close actually. All right, legs are up, and one of you goes backwards, the other one goes forward. Am I too close to you, dear?
You're fine, dear.
Okay, this feels so good. It really does, but hold your stomach in, because this is like a nice prep, a nice warm up. It's a great stretch too. Very relaxing. Oh, so good. I could really do this for a long time. Then reverse. So you can do 20 of these or so. It's a good warm up. Ah. All right. So now we're ready for the next exercise. So left foot goes down, right leg up. So we're going to take our leg to the right side of each other. We're going to touch the floor. If you need to, you can bend your knee and go up and cross your body a little bit. And you'll feel a really nice stretch on the hip and outer thigh as well. Hold your stomach in tight. And remember, you can always just flex your knee instead of going straight down. So see, we get 3 more in there. You can flex and point the toe. There you go. This is really nice. Hold your stomach in tight. Okay, one more. Yeah, if you feel in your back, maybe you can again flex the knee for a little support. All right, other side. Let's lift the left leg up, and then we'll go to the side of each other. Straight leg. Look, make sure you move your hand. And that's 2. You can flex your foot and then point, bring it across, and do it nice and slow so you can get the strengthening for the leg as well and your core. Okay, I think we get 2 more, right? And 1 more. Yummy. That was delicious. You might find a difference in each side, your hip, your leg. One may be stronger than the other, so you just work on that. And now the third one is the big one, is both legs up. But do what you can. If not 2 legs, just do 1. So both legs up. You're going to touch to the right of each other, but you want to flex your knees if it's your first time and your core strength is not there yet. You can straighten and toe tap. Now my husband, that's advanced. He's bending his knees and going to the side. I'm just touching my toes to the floor with my knees up towards the ceiling. So he's doing it different. He's doing more obliques there. So that's a different variation. So I could add that too. I like that. It's a good stretch. Ooh, that's a little more. Oh yeah. And then in the 3rd level, 4th level, I don't know, straight legs. So you have to engage your core. You can even lift your head up a little bit. See that? But only if you're there yet. If this is where you are. Ooh, that's good. Hold that stomach in. All right, good job. Not bad, right? Really good, actually, for our age. Okay. We will see you in the next video. Be sure to head on over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com. See all the wonderful things we have for you. Check out the link below. Hit that like button. Consider subscribing.
Make comments.
If it's benefiting you, do share and subscribe and leave comments. Yes, we appreciate it. We know what you're looking for. And yeah, let's keep this going. We're in this together. All right, peace and love.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.